Hey, this Black Friday, High Performance brings you an exclusive offer. Invite one of our expert design consultants for an in-home window shopping experience and get ready for a special treat.
Well, thank you. And in just 30 to 60 minutes, we'll guide you through the best window options for your home, tailored for your specific needs. Our goal is to ensure you know exactly what windows are best for your home and your situation.
Right, and here's the exciting part. Just for having us over for a design consult by December 11th, you'll receive a $50 Chick-fil-A gift card with absolutely no pressure to buy. And the quote is good for 1 year. With High Performance Restoration, you get to make an informed decision about your home's windows and enjoy a delicious treat on us. Book your appointment today and take the first step toward enhancing your home with the perfect windows. High Performance Restoration. Enhance your home one window at a time. Don't wait. Secure your no-hassle in-home design consult now.